Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Another day, another buy and shipment. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a buy and ship consolidation package. And let's go ahead and open. So it's been a while since I had a package of Heroclix, so I'm glad to be able to mitigate that issue. Okay. So inside the package is another box, typical. Let's open the box, and this should contain, if I'm not mistaken, 3 consolidated shipments. Okay. Okay, here you go. You can see it's safely packed. Okay. It should contain this one based on the paper. Play-at-home kit with a surfing gingerbread man promo. Okay, so let's check if it has that. Oh, there we go. So we have the play-at-home kit of multiple man. Finally. Okay, and the promo figure, the surfing gingerbread man. Okay, the second items here, it should contain my purchase of Auxxit and Nemesis. Okay, so this is from the giant size X-Men. I already have a version of this, but I just realized like this Auxxit is G10. Mine is not G10 but same sculpt. And my Nemesis is not G11. I think G3 and G4 respectively. Okay, so I'm trying to collect all Heroclix figures of X-Men. So these are definitely great additions to my collection. Okay, so thank you very much, sir, for allowing me to buy those items. Oh, well, let me see. Oh, there you go, the card for Nemesis and Auxxit. Okay. And finally, you can see here, there's a couple of boosters, although it doesn't have a booster box. We do have, I think this is from the Auxxit brick break of Howard. Okay, so we've been joining it weekly, and for this particular set, we're able to pull something amazing. We got you can see here, the chase patch from the brick break. Okay, so I love me some Wolverine, so I'm happy with that pull. Okay, so this is the booster number 1, and this is the booster number 2. Let me just double check if all the cards are here. And by the way, I also have a Deadpool die, which is good because this makes it my second one. So I now have a set of that die. You have the Deadpool, common, a hint card. You have the Deadpool, uncommon rather, and then common, multiple man, Deadpool robot, Lady Deathstrike, Patch, Chase, Jeff the Land Shark, Sunspot, Kid Omega, and Outlaw. Okay, so I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's it for our buy and ship unboxing. It's now empty. So we hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.